hosting Thanksgiving dinner next week. We're going to show you how to elevate a couple of dishes.
Yeah, Joel Gamoran is the host and executive producer of Homemade Live on PBS, and he's putting his spin on mashed potatoes and, of course, the star of the show, the turkey. Okay? You guys can follow along. Get your recipe. It's time to start cooking.
Are you guys mashed potato fans? Or no?
I love mashed potatoes.
I used to not like it. I used to think there was like a texture thing. Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy? Am I wrong?
No, I love mashed potatoes.
Okay. I got into them, and I got a little too into them. And the reality is I've been on this like major health kick.
You look amazing,
I've lost
Joel.
50 pounds.
Holy moly.
I know, and part of it is just getting more veggies into what we're eating.
So you're basically hiding some parsnips in these potatoes.
Totally. So it's half potatoes, half parsnips. So the first step to this is you got to peel it. Now, if you have a stand mixer that has a little peeling attachment, use that.
Because
I've never known that you can do that.
Stand mixer like this KitchenAid, like that, right? And it has a little attachment on it. But if you don't, use this. But this is the number one reason why people cut themselves. And you've cut yourself a lot with me.
A million times.
You know what? I did it right before Thanksgiving on a mandolin.
It happens. So when you do it, slice away. Slice away. Now, do you guys know what this little knob is on the slicer?
No. No, I don't know.
Any guesses? Okay. This is to dig out the eyes of the potato.
What?
There's eyes in
told us
potato.
that.
Why do you have to take the eye out?
Because they're yucky.
They're yucky. Yes.
They
I
taste
used to have
bad.
a chef that was like, I want every eye out. And I'm like, what's an eye
But is
of a
it
potato?
because it tastes bad or because it
has a little bitterness to it. Yeah, so take out the eyes. That's
so
the thing.
Are these Yukon Gold?
These are Yukon Gold, and then I do it with the parsnip. And again,
Is the parsnip related to a carrot?
That's a good question. It's similar. They're both root veggies, but I don't think they are carrot. By the way, save your peels and roast those up because they get crispy. But we have our parsnips and our potatoes in the bowl.
Okay.
Hoda, go in with some garlic. This is
do a
weird.
little salt?
Yeah, a little salt. Jenna's going to do salt.
What's this?
Boiling the garlic with everything gives it this like garlic little hum.
Ooh.
It's so good.
I
so
like that
you
idea.
let that happen. Once it's cooked, you move it over to a stand mixer.
How long do you cook that for?
Like 20 minutes until they're soft.
All right.
And this one, this KitchenAid has kind of this paddle attachment.
Okay.
Also called a flat beater. So while they're hot, Jenna, turn that on.
Okay.
So you know how on this side, my dear.
Okay.
I love cooking with Jenna. Oh, there we go.
Yep.
There you go. And then Hoda, go in with just a little bit of cream cheese.
Cream cheese?
By the way, we are splash zone over here, and I love it. But you can see it whips up so easily. So don't just mash it. If you have a stand mixer, it makes it so much easier.
Well, then it gets creamier, right?
Yes, and whipped, gets a little air. Now turn up the heat a little bit.
Do parsnips have the
but see, that's why I didn't do it, Joel.
same texture as potatoes?
Very similar.
They do?
But they add a lot of sweetness to this. But look at this. Isn't that looking like mash?
Love it.
So at this point, you move it to a bowl. Come on over, Hoda. We've got some chives. Chive me, girl.
Stop
We were saying
Chive me.
but you could also just buy the mashed potatoes and put chives on top. That's what Hoda and I did.
Oh my God. I'm not behind that. That's a Jenna and Hoda thing. You got to get in here and try it.
I like it better with parsnips.
Isn't it better? It's got a little sweetness to it. It's absolutely great.
Tell us about your Thanksgiving table. What's on it?
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
I'll tell you, when I was a young chef, I tried all this weird stuff.
Isn't that good?
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
Is it better than mashed potatoes?
Yeah, I like it better.
Wait, what did you do with the peels?
Okay, so you can roast them up in the oven and put them on top of salads and things like that instead of croutons. So don't throw that away. I'm a scrappy guy.
Yeah.
You gotta keep it.
Sorry, go on to your...
So my table is I've always tried to do fancy stuff because I'm a chef. And my family is like, always just bring it back to like the basics.
Simple.
So now I just got to do things really basic. So this is always on the table. This is a slow roasted turkey breast.
Okay.
What?
It's unbelievable. If you slow roast it, it's really moist. Try.
Did you buy that separate
I'm gonna
from the
try it.
turkey, or is this...
What do you mean buy it?
Great. No, that's a great question, Hoda.
You know how you can buy chicken breast?
Yes, that's a great question. You can buy it totally separate.
Oh, did you buy it separate? I mean, I was going to say, you bought it and then cooked it.
Yeah.
I was like, he didn't buy that. He made it.
Can I ask you guys what's on your table
don't know what's
always?
going on.
What's always on your table?
Tacos.
I'm sorry, what?
I mean,
Tacos are on your Thanksgiving table?
No, I just mean, I thought you meant in general.
Okay, got it. I'm coming over to your
I have to
house.
say, I'm going to say something controversial.
Yeah.
No, you don't like stuffing?
I like stuffing. I don't love turkey.
Oh, I don't know.
That is not controversial. A lot of people feel that way, but I will say, if you cook it right...
The way you cooked it, do you like
legit,
that?
right? It's good. What's always on your table?
Same. We do a lot of mashed potatoes and a lot of stuffing.
Yeah.
Those are the two big hits.
Yep.
Yeah, the carbs.
And my sister-in-law makes all the food.
And she's good. And
I
you know
love
what?
it.
My daughter last night said, Mom, please tell me that there's macaroni and cheese on our table, because otherwise I'm not coming.
I love it.
I'm not coming.
I was like, yeah, you will.
Well, I get to do the cheesy. I just want to say thanks. This is my bridge. First of all, I've been cooking with Jenna now for 9-10 years.
Yeah.
I've been cooking with Hoda for almost 15 years. You knew me when I was like a baby.
I knew you.
You have been behind me since day one. And your energy and your realness and the ability to just share with you in the kitchen. I'm going to start crying.
Oh, my God.
And I know everyone says this to you, but I just care so much about you. You've always been so thoughtful. So thank you for everything.
Wow.
Yes. Thank you.
I'm going to eat away my feelings.
And it will just be me.
I think I'm going to take these mashed potatoes and go hide under.
But I get more Jenna, which I'm always
Every
thrilled
love
about.
you, Jenna.
The long goodbye is breaking my heart
Painful
into a
one,
million
too.
pieces.
I know,
But you guys, we love you, Joel.
We love you so much.
Get these recipes
at today.com/food.
We'll be back right after this.
Oh.